Hi, Sam.
Hey, Digit!
I've been saving my money to buy candy.
Saving money to buy something is a responsible thing to do. Candy bags cost 65 cents.
I have these coins.
Let's make 65 cents from your coins. Quarters are the coin with the largest value that is less than 65 cents. So we will begin with them. We will skip count by the value of quarters, then dimes, and then nickels, until we get to exactly 65 cents. When we skip count, if we go over 65 cents, we will need to go back to the last value we said. Quarters are worth 25 cents each. To find out how many quarters you need, let's skip count by 25 cents.
I can do that. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents. 75 cents is more than 65 cents, so I go back to the last number I counted, which is 50. I'll need 2 quarters.
That's right, Digit. Dimes are the next highest value. Start at 50 cents and skip count by 10 cents without going over 65 cents.
Okay, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents. Too far. I need to go back to the last number I counted, which is 60. I'll need 1 dime with my 2 quarters.
Awesome work! Finally, we'll use nickels. Start at 60 cents and skip count by 5 cents.
60 cents, 65 cents. That's the value. I'll only need 1 nickel. For 65 cents, I need 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 1 nickel. Here is 65 cents. 1 bag of candy, please.
There you go, Digit.
Thanks.
There are many ways to show money amounts. If you follow these steps, you'll be a coin-counting genius in no time.
Just like me.